Hello and Happy New Year to everybody. Welcome back to the lab. Well, as you can see here we have a craziness uh, signal generator made by HP. It is the famous 8672A, which is capable to generate signals up to 18 gigahertz. Well, it's a very bad condition. It has been dropped and leave it to the dead since a while, and it has dropped to me recently. I don't even know if there are all the boards available. Seems that the hardware and covers are those that need. I found inside a new, what appeared to be a new IC was laying inside. I don't even know if belongs to this or some other components. Luckily, has been removed the battery holder that will have completely destroyed the instrument after so long time. So the question is it savable? I don't know if it is savable. Lot of damages. Also connectors. And well, what can I say? I will start to check if there are all the boards, and then I will see. Well, this is the situation. Appear to be all the covers available. Well, a bit damaged, but they are there. All the boards are available except this one, which if I'm not mistaken should be the rectifier board. All the other boards are available. Missing some wiring here. The coaxial seems to be missing few here. Here we have some oxidation signs from the past, but all in all is present. But I already have seen damage in the PCB because of the weight of this transformer. And look at that, completely destroyed the corner here. It's missing a chunk of aluminum. The bottom cover is completely bent, and I'm seeing nasty signs under there. So I'm not sure that can be saved. Here also I'm seeing some other kind of stuff which appear to be a relay. I'm not even sure that belong to the instrument here. Let me grab a pliers and see what is that. Well, that is clearly a relay, but I'm not sure if belongs to the instrument. Also, I see that is missing one component over there, transistor, maybe a power regulator, maybe a series transistor, not sure. But the worst is the missing board here. So I will check on internet and see if I can find it. And with the magic of camera, yeah, I have the missing board available here. And I have to say I'm not sure if it is functioning or not. I simply have found it, so I can't make it go away. Look at that. This is the missing bird that is going right here. Okay, so The plan of attack here is to, first of all, remove everything and repair the metal parts. Here is completely bent, so I can't even insert the board. Remove all the board, and I will start from the power supply, of course, but first and foremost need to be addressed mechanically. So let's go ahead with this. Well, before to go ahead and remove completely all the hardware and boards that are in the instrument, I want to check down below here if it's worth to go ahead with the repair. And while I was removing the board, I have seen that it's missing one IC here. Perhaps the one that I found belongs to the board. And the removal of the bottom cover revealed this nasty damage on the main board. Hopefully can be saved. There seems to be just one missing trace, but I'm not quite sure. So let's go ahead with the removal of the metal parts around. Also here there is a damage because of the weight of the transformer. So I will try to straighten things and glue it back together and straighten these studs. It's completely bent here, so a lot of mechanical damage. It seems that this instrument has dropped from a very high place to the ground. So let's go ahead. The more I remove parts, and the worst condition is appearing to be. The fan, there are silent block down below here that are broken. Don't know if they can be glued in some way, but there is also a fin missing here, so this fan must be replaced for sure. And yeah, the condition of the power supply section here is worse than I was thinking, and the two transistors that are missing is just because it has been broken. The spliced, the captive screws because of the damage. So let's see how deep is the damage. And here I have a very bad crack in another section of the main board. Actually, this is a daughter board, I believe. The main board is this one. Very bad. So I think it's fixable, but I'm not sure how many layers it is. So if there are multiple layers, it will be a nightmare. So let's go ahead. I want to completely remove the bird here, the bigger one. So see the amount of damage that there are in. With further disassembly, it has been revealed more damages. There are some little squares that has riveted on the chassis, but they are broken. There are any kind of foxholes here, don't know, dusty, and foam, any kind of contamination. But I should be close to remove the motherboard. I just need to remove those two plugs here, and then should be able, perhaps I will remove the wall metal parts here. So let's go ahead. And eventually I've been able to remove the motherboard and all the other stuff. Look at that, how many pieces are inside this instrument. I decided to remove the transformer since it's weighed a ton and the risk of additional damage was very high. So here there are the two transistors that are missing. Hopefully they are not special. I will check before to go ahead. And it has been broken because of the fall of this instrument. So hopefully can be found those transistors. I believe there are serial pass transistor or voltage regulators, but I'm not quite sure yet. So at this point I need to make more room on the bench, try to fix the motherboard, and also this frame that is completely bent. The cooling fan must be completely replaced and will be a challenge also that. So very challenging project here. However, this is a special instrument, as you know, and I really wish to have this since a while. And yeah, hopefully I will save it, not only because I need, not only because I like it, but because this is a very special instrument in my opinion. So it's worth to try to save it. Well, that's it for this video, and in the next one I will start to address the motherboard and see what we have. So thank you very much for watching and see you soon.